Today you will also read another story about Jan. Jan sees Ken with his ducks. Would ducks be a good pet? Will Jan get a pet duck? What do you think? We will use the new words and skills we learned to read about what Jan does next. First, let's play a game called Clap It Out. Look at the number 2. What is the word? Call. Let's clap one time for each letter in call as we say the letters out loud. Ready? C-A-L-L. What's the word? Call. Okay, number 6. What's the word? There. Let's clap the letters out loud. T-H-E-R-E. There. Number 1. The word is buy. B-Y. Buy. Number 4. K-N-O-W. No. Number 8. W-O-U-L-D. Would. Number 3. Could. C-O-U-L-D. Could. Number 7. Were. W-E-R-E. Number 5. Some. S-O-M-E. Some. Now let's play with the sounds in words. You will listen for these sounds at the beginning. They are either going to be s or sh again. You will say the picture name that has the same beginning sound as the word I say. I will do the first one. Listen. Say. I hear s at the beginning of say. Listen to the sound again. S. Sink is the picture name that begins with the same sound as say. Sink, say, s. Now your turn to listen for the sound at the beginning of each word. Say the sound and then say the picture name that begins with the same sound. Ready? Hit. Sick. Ship. Shine. Okay, now you are ready to read your other story, Pet Ducks Quack. Let's see if Jan gets a pet duck. Have a great day.